In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can connect or integrate Stripe to Base44. First, you want to load up the website and click on Start Building. Once you have signed into your account, we will go and click on Apps here at the top. The next step will be selecting the project which you want to integrate Stripe with. So I'm going to open up my project here. And once you have your project ready and loaded, you will select Dashboard. Once you click on Dashboard, from the left hand side you will see Integrations, so just click on Integrations, and Stripe should be at the very top. Sell products or subscriptions and get paid online. Once we click on Use, it is going to show us example prompts which we can use in order to add it. I'm going to do enable one-time currency data purchase. This is going to obviously vary depending on your project, but we are going to do that. And once you do it, it is going to begin connecting to Stripe, and it's going to show us this install Stripe. We're going to click on install, and here it's going to set up the process. So I've set up your Stripe checkout system in test mode. You can safely test test payments. So here it is going to begin integrating it. It's going to begin writing the code, and we will just we just want to wait for it to finish. It does everything for you. So I'm just going to pause and come back once this is completed. Okay, so once this is complete, it should look a little something like this. The Base44 software should have set it up for you. And now what we need to do is go into the dashboard, then click on integrations, and here it's going to be pending the setup. And you will have to claim your Stripe sandbox. So basically what we need to do is click on claim and go live. And once you click on that, it is then going to ask you to sign into your account. So sign into your Stripe account, authenticate it there, and it is going to give you some API keys which you will need to put in the second or last field here. So the publishable key and the secret key. And once you click on save API keys, this is going to have connected Stripe to Base44, and you will be able to accept payments. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.